Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize content delivery with Cloudflare, beginner guide step by step clearly. To optimize content delivery with Cloudflare, start by creating a Cloudflare account. Visit the Cloudflare website and click the sign up button. Enter your email address and a secure password. Once registered, log in to your new Cloudflare account. Click on the Add a Site option on your dashboard. Enter your website's URL and click Add Site. Cloudflare will scan your domain's DNS records, which may take a few moments. Review the DNS records detected by Cloudflare. Make sure they match your current settings to avoid any downtime. Choose a Cloudflare plan that suits your needs, starting with the free plan for beginners. After selecting your plan, confirm your choice and proceed. Cloudflare will provide you with name servers to replace at your domain registrar. Log into your domain registrar account and locate the DNS settings for your domain. Replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes, which may take some time to propagate across the internet. Return to your Cloudflare dashboard and click Continue. Next, enable the CDN by navigating to the Speed tab. Turn on the Auto Minify feature for JavaScript, CSS, and HTML files. This reduces the file sizes, improving load times. Next, navigate to the Caching tab. Set caching level to standard for optimized content delivery. Enable Always Online to serve users a cached version of your site during downtime. Enable Browser Cache Expiration to dictate how long browsers should keep files. Next, set Edge Cache TTL to manage how long Cloudflare caches your content. Consider enabling Rocket Loader to optimize loading for JavaScript-heavy sites. Next, check your firewall settings under the Security tab. Add security measures like Web Application Firewall rules to protect your site. Finally, test your website's performance using tools like Jeepmetrics or Google PageSpeed Insights. Regularly monitor the Cloudflare dashboard for stats and adjustments. Adjust settings as necessary based on performance analytics and feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.